Well, hello, the Divine community. I'm Betty, your energy healer. Let's see what the Divine wants us to know today. So let's start off with our angel cards. I hope everybody's doing well. I pray and ask and give thanks to the universe, the guardian angels, the archangels to protect me, guide me, and assist me. Please help me stay in my higher self so I may see, hear, know, and feel the divine's messages and blessings. Thank you. Awesome. So let's see what we have today. All right, we have the Page of Wands for your energy right now. Your challenge is the Nine of Wands, and the Divine is giving you the Four of Cups, and we have the Magician manifesting. All right, so your energy right now is news of exciting opportunity, allowing your creativity to soar. And your challenge is protecting what you have created. And of course, the Divine is giving you Four of Cups. So failing to recognize a magical opportunity. Because once you have the Three Cups, you're like, yeah, celebration. And sometimes the Divine and the universe is going to give you another blessing. And if you're partying too much, you might miss out on that. So the Divine's saying, hey, pay attention. And then, of course, in your future is manifesting magic. It's alive in your life. Awesome. So let's just clarify with our tarot, Rider's Tarot. All right. And here we go. So we have the King of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Okay. So let's just go and take them all out, okay? And with your challenge, you have Two of Cups, which is an offering or a partnership. Page of Pentacles, someone's coming in, giving you a message. Hey, there's a job opportunity here. And the Moon, seeing something clear, okay? And what the Divine wants you to know, hey, you got money coming in, Ten of Pentacles, and you're balancing Two of Pentacles. And you are done with the Ten of Wands with a heavy burden. And of course, your future is the Devil card, which you are done with maybe someone that is holding you back. You have Nine of Swords, that is letting go of negativity. And you have the Chariot, dun, 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 which you're moving on. And underneath is the Ten of Swords. Awesome. So let's just go in, see what we have. So, with the Page of Wands, the pages and the tarot are messengers. So, this is news of exciting opportunity, allowing your creativity to soar. How cool is that? And to clarify that, we have the King of Swords. Now, with this King of Swords, this is a leader taking in that power of leadership. And this could be you, okay? Or someone coming into your life, because you do have the Three of Wands. And with the Three of Wands, this is teamwork. So this could be a job opportunity for you. Okay. And the Four of Swords, so with the Four of Swords, this is time to reflect and also a time to recover. Okay, very good. So that is your energy right now. Now, what's going on with your challenge is you need to protect what you've created. So that's, I think, where this Four of Swords came in, that, you know, you need to rest. You need to reflect. Never give up. Never give up. Yay. She's like standing. Yay. I've got my sword or my wands and I've got my shield. And to clarify that, you have the Two of Cups. Now with the Two of Cups, this could be a romantic proposal, okay, or a new job, or a new entrepreneurship, okay? with the Page of Pentacles. Now, remember with the pages, these are messengers. And the Page of Pentacles, this is, because of your hard work, this is that message of maybe a partnership because you have the Two of Cups with a new job opportunity. Okay. And then you have the Moon. Now, with the Moon, this is seeing things clear. See? Very good. Now, the Divine wants you to know that, hey, you have 3 cups, but I'm giving you another one. Okay? So, failing to recognize a magical opportunity, missing the point. Because of your daily routine, I'm going to this job every day, or I'm okay, everything's good, but you do need to wake up because there's another blessing coming to you. Okay? And the blessing is abundance of money. Now, the 10 of Pentacles is you've got money overflowing. You've got money in the bank. You have money that you can save, and you have money that you can maybe help others with. Okay? And you have the Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles is balancing your home life and your work life. Yes. And you are done with the burden. The Ten of Wands is letting go of feeling that you're bogged down, feeling that you are just working too hard. It's time to let go of any kind of burdens that you might feel. All right. Now, your future. Dun, 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 dun. You have the Magician, and he or you have that energy of manifesting. Magic is alive in your life. When you need to be successful with manifesting, if you believe it, you can do it. Yes. And we have clarification is the Devil. Now, the Devil is that energy of overcoming maybe anybody that's holding you back. Maybe you're self-sabotaging yourself, saying, you know what, I can't do this, but you can. You're the Magician. You can manifest whatever you want. Remember, if you believe it, you can do it. So let go of that, right? And then you got the Nine of Swords. And the Nine of Swords is maybe letting go, feeling grief or depression, or maybe letting go of someone that's holding you back. You really need to let go of that because you are amazing. Remember that, okay? And dun, 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 you've got the Chariot. That means that you are moving on, letting go of all the negative, letting go of people that no longer serve you, and moving on to a bright, new adventure, successful life. Okay, very good. And under the deck, we have the Ten of Swords. That means tens mean the end and the beginning of something new and amazing. Very good. So awesome. So from here, I just want to go right into what kind of animal we are. So we're going into the Oracle Animal cards, and let's see what animal we are today. And all right, Bear, unconditional love, playful and protective. Bear, yeah, all right. You are being guided to rest and enjoy yourself and others. Create balance in your life and follow your truths. You will intuitively know when and how to take inspired action. You have immense inner wisdom and physical strength. Be the bear. Wow. Awesome. Great job. All right. We have one more thing. Let's go with a daily positive thought affirmation. Let's go with 3 of them. Spirit's telling me to go with 3. All right. So, 2 and 3. Awesome. So, daily positive thoughts and affirmations. A wonderful thing always happens to me because I live within an attitude of gratitude. Wonderful things always happen to me because I live with an attitude of gratitude. Daily positive thought and affirmation. So you might want to write this down. Good job. All right. I let go of worries that drain my energies for no good return. Daily positive thought and affirmation. I let go of worries that drain my energy for no good return. All right. I enter today with an open mind and a calm present. Daily positive thought and affirmation. I enter today with an open mind and a calm present. Awesome. All right. So, I hope everybody has, I got one more. Let's go with I am everything affirmation. And, all right, I am safe. I trust my intuition to lead me down the right path. Looking back on traits, I see that I am still here and thriving. I always end up better, stronger, and wiser. Yes, I have proven to myself that I will always make it. Time and time again, I am safe. I am everything affirmation. Very good. Well, I hope everyone has an amazing day, and I will see you soon, all right? Remember, you are the magician, and whatever you believe in, you can do. Awesome. Well, have a wonderful day, and remember, you are amazing, you are beautiful, and let your energy shine. Bye. Mwah.